Mysteries of the Mind, Unlocking Hidden Realities. Welcome, once again, seekers of truth and those who dare to delve into the enigmatic realms of the mind. Prepare to embark on a journey that transcends the confines of the ordinary and delves into the extraordinary. Together, we will explore the profound depths of the human psyche and uncover secrets that have been whispered across the ages. Today, we delve into the depths of a timeless enigma, the mind code, a cryptic message left behind by the enigmatic author L.W. de Laurence. This hidden code promises to unlock the deepest mysteries of existence itself, revealing truths that can reshape our understanding of reality. Are you ready to unravel the secrets that lie dormant within? Let's begin. Within the grand tapestry of human history, there have been individuals who dared to venture beyond the veil of the known, seeking to uncover the hidden harmonies of the universe. Among these enigmatic souls, L.W. de Laurence stands as a beacon of wisdom, his teachings echoing through the corridors of time. Born in 1869 in England, this multifaceted mystic and author dedicated his life to exploring the uncharted territories of metaphysics, the occult, and the boundless potential of the human mind. His magnum opus, The Master Key, serves as our portal into the labyrinthine realms of hidden wisdom. Published posthumously in 1924, this seminal work has captivated seekers of truth for generations. But who was L.W. de Laurence, and why does his work resonate so profoundly with those yearning for deeper understanding? L.W. de Laurence, born Lionel Walter de Laurence, was a man of many talents and passions. While his exact date of birth remains shrouded in mystery, what is clear is that he was born in England in the year 1869. From an early age, he exhibited a thirst for knowledge that would shape his life's journey. Lawrence's intellectual curiosity led him to pursue higher education, and he soon found himself at the University of London, where he delved into the ancient texts and esoteric teachings that would become the cornerstone of his work. As a student, Laurence wasn't content with the confines of conventional academia. He yearned to explore the unseen forces that govern our existence. Thus began his fascination with metaphysics, the occult, and the hidden mysteries of the universe. Lawrence's academic pursuits were as diverse as they were ambitious. He studied law, history, and philosophy, but his true passion lay in the realms of mysticism and the esoteric. During his time at the university, he became deeply interested in Hermeticism, a mystical tradition rooted in the ancient teachings of Hermes Trismegistus. This ancient wisdom, often referred to as the Kybalion, introduced Laurence to the concept of mentalism, which holds that the universe is mental in nature and that our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality. This perspective would profoundly influence his future work and solidify his belief in the inherent power of the human mind. However, Lawrence's thirst for knowledge didn't confine him to the hallowed halls of academia. He ventured beyond the traditional texts, exploring a wide range of subjects including astronomy, astrology, and the ancient mysteries of Egypt. His inquisitive nature led him to delve into the depths of human psychology, seeking to understand the complexities of the subconscious mind and its profound influence on our lives. As Laurence continued his studies, he recognized that the fragmented nature of knowledge was hindering his quest for understanding. He saw a need for a holistic approach, one that integrated the wisdom of ancient teachings with modern scientific discoveries. This realization marked a pivotal point in his intellectual journey and laid the foundation for his most significant work, The Master Key. L.W. de Laurence's literary contributions extended far beyond his magnum opus, The Master Key. Throughout his prolific career, he authored numerous works that delved into the esoteric and metaphysical. Some of his notable publications include The Secrets of Ancient Alchemy, The Lost Art of Alchemy, Practical Occultism, The Ancient Mystic, The Kabbalah Unveiled, and The Philosophy of Mysticism. Each book was a testament to his deep understanding of the hidden mysteries of the universe and his ability to convey complex concepts with clarity and precision. Laurence's dedication to the occult and mystical arts led him to establish the Rosicrucian Fellowship in Point Loma, California. This fellowship served as a sanctuary for those seeking spiritual enlightenment and a deeper connection with the esoteric wisdom he espoused. However, Laurence's life wasn't solely confined to the realm of ideas and esoteric studies. He actively engaged in philanthropic endeavors, demonstrating a deep concern for the welfare of others. One notable example of his generosity was his establishment of the Point Loma Home for Girls, an institution aimed at providing care and guidance to those in need. Through this and other charitable acts, Laurence exemplified the principles of compassion and service to humanity, leaving an indelible mark on the hearts of those he touched. His influence wasn't limited to the pages of his books or the walls of his fellowship. Laurence was a charismatic speaker and lecturer, captivating audiences with his insights into the mysteries of life and the untapped potential of the human mind. His words had a profound impact on countless individuals, inspiring them to explore their own spiritual paths and seek a deeper understanding of the universe. Yet, despite his numerous accomplishments, Laurence remained humble, recognizing that his own journey of discovery was an ongoing one. He saw himself as a student of life, continuously learning and evolving until his passing in 1956. His legacy lived on, inspiring generations of seekers to unlock the hidden mysteries of the mind and the cosmos. Now, let's delve into the core of today's exploration, the enigmatic message embedded within the pages of the Master Key. Laurence's masterpiece unveils a profound truth. Your mind is the sculptor of your reality. It's the lens through which you perceive the world, the architect of your experiences, and the bridge to the infinite possibilities that exist beyond the confines of the ordinary. But how does one decipher this hidden code and harness the power of the mind to co-create with the very essence of existence? Laurence provides a roadmap, a set of keys that unlock the doors to your latent potential. At the heart of this transformative process lies a practice that transcends time itself, meditation. Through meditation, you quiet the incessant chatter of the external world, allowing the symphony of your inner wisdom to resonate. It's in this sacred space of stillness that the veils between the seen and unseen grow thin, bridging the gap between your conscious desires and the infinite intelligence that orchestrates the tapestry of reality. Once you have established this inner sanctuary, it's time to ignite the spark of intention. Visualize with unwavering clarity the life you aspire to create. See it, feel it, and believe in its manifestation. This isn't mere wishful thinking. It's a deliberate act of aligning your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs with the energy of creation. Remember, you are not merely an observer of reality, but a co-creator of your life's masterpiece. And as you hold these visions close, embrace the unwavering belief that they are already a part of your reality. Now comes the crucial element, affirmation. Connect with the infinite power that flows through all of existence. This isn't about blind faith, but about recognizing the profound connection you have with the very essence of being. Affirm, I am one with the infinite intelligence. With this realization, you transcend the limitations of separation and tap into the boundless reservoir of wisdom and power that permeates the universe. With your mind now aligned, your intentions set, and your connection to the infinite affirmed, it's time to step into action. But this isn't any ordinary action. It's action inspired by the clarity of your vision, driven by the power of your connection, and guided by the wisdom of your meditative state. It's not about forcing events to unfold, but about flowing with the current of creation, letting your actions be the brush strokes that paint your reality. Yet even as you take these inspired actions, there's one more vital ingredient: feeling. Emotions are the fuel that powers the engine of manifestation. Embrace the feelings associated with your desired outcome. Feel the joy, the gratitude, the love, and the fulfillment, as if they are already a part of your present moment. For it's in this fusion of intention, connection, action, and emotion that the alchemy of creation occurs. So, my friends, as you continue your journey of self-discovery and personal growth, remember that you are the master of your own destiny. Your mind is the conduit to the infinite wisdom and power of the universe. Nurture this inner garden. Tend to it with love and care, and watch as it blossoms into a vibrant tapestry of your greatest aspirations. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the hidden wisdom of L.W. de Laurence's The Master Key. As we bring this episode to a close, may the revelations shared here serve as guiding stars on your path to self-discovery and empowerment. If this exploration has resonated with your soul, we invite you to show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. By doing so, you'll not only stay connected to our future content, but also help us spread these empowering messages to a wider audience. Before we part ways, we encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. What insights have you gained from the Master Key? How has it impacted your journey of self-realization? Your comments have the power to inspire others and build a supportive community of seekers and truth. Once again, thank you for joining us on this episode of Mysteries of the Mind. Until we meet again in our next adventure, may the wisdom of the ancients guide you, the mysteries of the cosmos intrigue you, and the infinite potential within you shine brightly.